Ethereum value equivalent to 1941 bucks a coin. The present reach: $1,918, $1,962. The earlier date Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2014, change for November 10.9%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 2014 bucks. Greatest cost $2,303, least cost $1,875. The normal for the month $2,067. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,075, change for December 3.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for January. Greatest cost $2,413, least cost $2,075. The normal for the month $2,205. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,255, change for January 8.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. At the outset cost at $22.55 bucks. Most extreme cost $2,450, least cost $2,130. The normal for the month $2,281. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,290, change for February 1.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at $22.90 bucks. Most extreme cost $2,290, least cost $1,888. The normal for the month $2,125. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,030, change for spring 11.4%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. To start with cost at $20.30 bucks. Greatest cost $2,085, least cost $1,813. The normal for the month $1,969. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,949, change for April 4.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else cost at $19.49 bucks. Most extreme cost $2,152, least cost $1,870. The normal for the month $1,996. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,011, change for May 3.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. To start with cost at $20.11 bucks. Greatest cost $2,156, least cost $1,874. The normal for the month $2,014. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,015, change for June 0.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at $20.15 bucks. Most extreme cost $2,213, least cost $1,923. The normal for the month $2,055. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,068, change for July 2.6%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. Before all else cost at $20.68 bucks. Greatest cost $2,518, least cost $2,068. The normal for the month $2,252. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,353, change for August 13.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at $23.53 bucks. Most extreme cost $2,547, least cost $2,213. The normal for the month $2,373. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,380, change for September 1.1%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. Initially cost at $23.80 bucks. Most extreme cost $2,954, least cost $2,380. The normal for the month $2,619. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,761, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at $27.61 bucks. Greatest cost $2,761, least cost $2,376. The normal for the month $2,613. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,555, change for November 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at $12.85 bucks. Greatest cost $1,595, least cost $1,285. The normal for the month $1,414. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,491, change for January 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. To start with cost at $14.91. Greatest cost $1,491, least cost $1,211. The normal for the month $1,374. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,302, change for February 12.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2026. Initially cost at $13.02. Most extreme cost 1. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,510, change for spring 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. In the first place cost at $15.10. Greatest cost $1,794, least cost $1,510. The normal for the month $1,623. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,677, change for April 11.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2026. At the outset cost at $16.77. Most extreme cost $1,677, least cost $1,311. The normal for the month $1,519. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,410, change for May 15.9%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. Initially cost at $14.10. Greatest cost $1,471, least cost $1,279. The normal for the month $1,384. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,375, change for June 2.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2026. First and foremost cost at $13.75. Greatest cost $1,707, least cost $1,375. The normal for the month $1,513. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,595, change for July 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for August 2026. Initially cost at $15.95. Most extreme cost $1,980, least cost $1,595. The normal for the month $1,755. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,850, change for August 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation